mere recommendation. Are you still bothered that you can't find aluminum casting molds? Wangxi Power Technology is a national high-tech enterprise that integrates the design and production of aluminum alloy casting molds, aluminum alloy high and low pressure casting, and CNC machining. With 25 years of professional experience in the aluminum casting industry, we provide users with one-stop services for various types of aluminum casting products. Has a quality control center, technology development centers, distribution centers, supply centers, health and technology and mechanical, chemical, metallurgical laboratory. We have passed ISO 9001 to 2008 International Quality System Certification. Contact us for customization to make your project more reliable.
OneShare Power Technology. Gather all wisdom to connect the future. OneShare Power Technology Co. Limited is a national high-tech enterprise integrating research, production, domestic and foreign trade and service. The company mainly manufactures a series of products, including electric power fittings, cable accessories, meter boxes, sets of high and low voltage equipment, aluminum casting molds, aluminum products, and other series of products. It is an enterprise authorized to connect to the Chinese state grid and Southern Power Grid. OneShare Power Technology, as a pioneer in the industry, has obtained certifications for ISO 9001, Quality Management System, ISO 14001, Environmental Management System, and ISO 45001, Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Products are widely used in power system, rail transit, energy and chemical industry, mobile communication, new energy vehicles, and many other industries. For the renovation project of two grids, west to east power transmission, Shenli Oilfield Standardization Project, coal to electricity in Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei Project, integrated underground utility tunnel project, machine well diesel-powered to electric-powered project, and other domestic and foreign power key projects to provide high-quality supporting. OneShare Power Technology, leading through continuous innovation, has won the trust of customers with the supreme quality. The company possesses advanced testing equipment, first-class production technology, and an excellent management team. With a dedicated service philosophy, it operates domestically while expanding globally. OneShare Power Technology is committed to building a distinctive corporate culture with its own characteristics to help a healthy development. Upholding the corporate spirits of appreciation, cooperation, responsibility, implementation, persistence, and communication. The company always adheres to the mission of providing a reliable choice for electric power development, grows together with the employees and develops together with customers. OneShare Power Technology, illuminating countless homes, empowering the world. Gather all wisdom to connect the future.